Today I'm gonna sing you 2 music that I learned from my music class at school. And one is Johnny versus One Hammer, and the other one is Engine number 9. So, say action. Okay. Engine number 9, going down the liver line. If the train go on the track, will I get my mommy back?
Number 2.
I sit down. Johnny worsted one hammer, one hammer, one hammer. Johnny worsted one